Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted contacts from Android phone. It's really simple and easy. So for this, just open your contacts here and you have to make sure that your contacts are signed in with the Google. So let's say I'm going to delete this contact here. Tap on these three dots, tap on this delete contact like this. Now what you have to do is you have to open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on this Google, then tap on this arrow here and tap on and select your Google account. Then tap on this Google account. Now here you have to scroll to the right, tap on this pupil and sharing, and then simply tap on this contacts. Tap on these three bars here and then you can see this option here, bin or trash. Just simply tap on it and as you can see you will find all your deleted contacts here in trash. So you can tap on the contact and as you can see you can tap on this recover and you can easily recover your contact. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.